Good afternoon. Welcome to all. I am Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Uh, Now discuss about the topic is Unit 2 in Concrete Technology and the chemical and mineral admixtures. The content of Unit 2 is accelerators, retarders, plasticers, superplasticers, waterproofers, mineral admixtures and mineral admixtures, fly ash, silica fume, ground granulated blasant, furnace slab and metacolin, their effect on concrete properties. So in this what textbook we are referred means MS Shetty Concrete Technology, and reference book means Gambhir ML Concrete Technology. And the next one is what is the core subjective for this subject. First one is that to study the properties of concrete, to study the properties of concrete in this, to making the materials, next one is to have better knowledge about the chemical and mineral admixtures in this concrete. So to familiarize with the highest method of mix design as per the latest code. So next one is to understand the fresh and hardened concrete properties, to know the knowledge about the importance and applications of special concrete in these technologies. Next one. So what is meant by accelerators? What is accelerator mean? The concrete accelerators are chemical admixtures that speed up the cement hydration, reducing the setting time and increasing the early strength development. Crucial for faster construction. In that world, cold weather concreting is also useful for this accelerator. Next one is speed up the hydration. Accelerators can increase the rate of chemical reactions between water and cement. Rate of chemical reaction between water and cement. In this water and cement we have the concrete electricity. So next one is reducing the setting time. This speed up the transaction from the plastic to state the rigid state. From the plastic state to rigid state. Next one is increase the early strength. So the allow concrete to gain the strength faster, enable to quicker loading and quicker use and loading. And next one is common types on examples. So chlorine based, it's a chlorine based means it's a for chemical formula for CaCl2, very effective but corrosive to rebar. Next one is non chloride. First one is chlorine based, next one is non chloride based. Calcium formate, calcium nitrate, sodium silicate, trialkyl free alkyl, used specifically for shortcut application. And next one is important consideration. So reinforced concrete due to corrosion risk, chloride based accelerators are often prohibited. Non-chloride alternatives are recommended for what the reinforced concrete, RCC concrete. Next one is retarders. What is meant by retarders? A concrete retarder is the chemical additive. So this one is chemical additive. Slow down cement hydration process, delaying the setting and hydration of concrete. Given worker more time to mix and transport, place and finish it. It especially in hot weather or for larger pores without harming final strength. So common uses for retarders mean hot weather concrete. In this place, hot weather means the counteract the alternating effect of heat and setting time. So long hurdles for concrete delivered disinfect place planted. Complex placement for larger complex basement for larger strength or indicate architectural details leading to extended workability. Exposed aggregate finish. Surface tendency retarders are applied to delay the what is the surface layer. So surface layer allow to easy removal to reveal the decorative aggregate underneath. Next one is plasticus. What does mean plasticus? Mean plasticus is in concrete it is called as the chemical admixture to improve the workability. So to improve the so this one to improve the workability while reducing the water content to leading to stronger, more durable concrete with less crackle Okay, but next one is disperse cement. Plastic is coat cement material causing them repel each other, reducing water. The reduced water, this dispersants reduce the friction and water needed to make the mixed flow, often 5 to 15 percentage for 5 to 15 percentage for standard plastics. So increase the strength. Less water means lower water cement ratio significantly boost the concrete workability and durability. So it is the common uses. Foundation, sidewalk, driveways, high strength concrete or commercially buildings, self-supporting, self-compacting concrete, fiber reinforced concrete. So what is meant by super classes? So what this is the uh, so this is the picture of super plasticus. It added the super plasticus images in this CL. This is the added the super plasticus in this concrete. Super plasticus are used when while dispersed cement particles suspense or reduced to required to improve the flow characteristics rheology of concrete. The addition allowed to decrease the water cement ratio to concrete or mortar without negatively affecting the workability of the mixture. So next one is sulfonated lanolin formaldehyde. Next lignosulfonates. Next one is polycarbooxylate superplasticus called water. It is called as the water reducer to improve the water flow ability without increasing the water content. Without increasing the water content, this allow the highest strength, high performance and water with lower water cement ratio. SEC means and accelerator early strengthening of the concrete or mortar. Next one is waterproofer. What is meant by waterproofer? Waterproofer in this concrete which involve the chemical admixtures like crystalline and hydrophobic agents to mix the applying surface coatings. Next to are using penetrating sealers to block the pores, creating the barriers against water, enhancing the durability and preventing damaging the structures like basements, roof and tanks. Next, integral admixtures added during mixing. This modified the concrete properties. Crystalline admixtures, crystalline admixtures with moisture to form crystals that fill the pores, blocking water. Hydrophobic admixtures repel the water and reducing the permeability. Polymer admixtures enhance the flexibility and enhance adhesions. Example latex acrylic. Next one is common application. What are the common applications for superplasticus? Means basement foundation tunnels, roof ballustings, wet areas like bathroom in which is used in these bathrooms and kitchens, water tanks, swimming pools, planters. Next one is bridges, ports means harbor areas. Ports mostly used in the coastal structures. Next one is mineral admixtures like fly ash, silica fume, ground granulated, blast furnace, slag and metacolite. We need to see the what is mean by mineral admixtures. A mineral admixture or supplementary cementitious material SCM, that is called as the SCM. So that is called as the here C supplementary cementitious material. It is called as the SCM Find the uh, powder added to concrete fly ash like silica fume slag to replace this some cement, improving the strength, workability and durability while reducing the cost and environmental impact by reusing the industrial byproduct. Next one is enhanced performance, better workability. Better workability, increased compressive strength and improved chemical resistance and reduced thermal cracking. Sustainability, reuses industrial waste, lowering cement demand, reducing the CO2 in emissions and conversing reuses. Cost effectiveness, reduce the amount of expensive Portland cement needed. Next, fly ash. So this one is fly ash. So fly ash is admixture. Sorry. So benefits of fly ash: improve the workability, spherical particle to reduce the friction needed, less water for the same slump. So next one is enhanced durability, denser core structure, reduce the permeability, protecting steel reinforcement for corrosion, reducing heat of hydration. So beneficial for mass concrete pores, preventing the thermal cracking. So next one is lower permeability. The next one is lower permeability, creates a less porous concrete resisting water and chloride. Water and chloride. Silica fume. Silica fume is the admixture is a fine pozzolanic powder byproduct so of silica protection of added to concrete the high performance concrete. High performance drastically improving the strength, durability, density and reducing the permeability by filling tiny gap between cement particles. The strength of the silica film significantly increase the compressive, flexural, tensile and impact strength. Durability, reduce the permeability, resistance, chloride, sulfur attack to prevent rebar corrosions. Next one is workability, improve the corrosion cohesions, reduce the bleeding and enhance the pumpability. Next one is microstructure. It fill the voids and react pozzolanically with calcium hydroxide, creating stronger cementitious blend. Next one is ground gangulated blast furnace slag. It is called as the GGBFS. So ground granulated blast furnace. So this is the image of GGBFS. Next one is GGBFS means it is the sustainable simultaneous material made from byproduct and iron production used to partially replace the Portland cement in concrete to enhance the durability, reducing heat, improve the workability and significantly lower the concrete carbon footprint, making the mostly used for green material. So what are the benefits of GGBS? Eco-friendly, reduces CO2 emissions by replacing this cement. Next one is durability, improve the resistance to sulfate, chloride and alkyl silicate reaction, reducing crack. So in the lower heat of hydration to less thermal crack out in massive concrete pores. So massive concrete pores, improved workability, create smoother finish and better cohesion, long term strength, contribute to higher compressive strength. Next one is metacolline. So this is the structure for this is the colline clay. It is converted into metacolline. So it is converted into metacolline. Next it is added to the concrete. It will be added on the concrete. So next one is metacolline is the concrete pozzolanic supplementary simultaneous material made from the calcined chlorine plates manufactured boost concrete strength, durability, performance by recreating the reacting with the cement byproduct to form more binding calcium silicate hydrate. So it is called as the GSH gel. So it is called as the CSHL. So C means calcium, S means silicate, H means hydrate, reducing the permeability, improving the resistance, chloride, sulfate and alkaline reactions. So benefits of methaqualone. Enhanced strength, increase the both early and long-term compressive strength, improved durability, so offers superior resistance to chlorine, increases sulfate attack at ASR expansion. So better workability, can improve the workability and finish the characteristics. Next one is eco-friendly, a sustainable alternative to Portland, contributing the green construction. Next one is their effect of the concrete properties. Effect of aggregate. So this is the effect of aggregate shape and texture. Smooth rounded aggregates to improve the workability, and rough ones bond better but more needed plast. Next one is size and grading of the aggregate. Next one is better grading, mix of size, reduce the plast needs, lower cost and improve the density strength. Type granite, increased strength, ballast, offer high strength. Next pumice, provide freeze thaw durability, specific mineralogy, affect mineral particles. Sorry, mineralogical affect mechanical properties. Moisture coating, moisture and dust in the demand, reducing the workability, surface coating bond. Next one is effect of fibers. Example steel and synthetic mechanical, increasing the toughness, ductility, impact, fatigue and abrasion resistance. Durability, improve the spalling resistance and permeability. Next one is effect of chemical admixtures, chemical and mineral admixtures. Plastica, super plastica to improve the flow and reduce the water content. Reduce the water content. Accelerators, retarders, controlling strengthening time. Next one is water repellent. Enhance the water resistance, frost resistance and corrosion resistance. So next one we want to how to course outcome in this subject means at the end of this course the students will be able to select the suitable admixture, select the suitable admixture for enhancing the properties of concrete. So enhancing the properties of concrete. Next one. So this is the PO for this in this subject. We want to see the first one is knowledge of science, sorry, knowledge of engineering science, and PO2 problem analysis, and PO3 the design and development of solution, and PO4 investigation, and PO5 model tool usage, and PO6 engineering and society, PO7 environment and sustainability, and PO8 means ethics, PO9 means individual and teamwork, PO10 means communication, PO11 means project management and finance. So this CO2 means 3. In this subject we have to knowledge of engineering science means here CO2 is the 3. 1 problem analysis is 1, design and development of solution is 1, and investigation is 1, modern tool usage is 1, and engineering and society is 1, environment and sustainability is 3, ethics is environment or society is 3, ethics is 1, individual and teamwork having 1, communication having 1, project management and finance 1, lifelong learning is the 1. So this is the PSO, what the knowledge of civil engineering discipline, critical analysis of civil engineering problems and innovations. So next one is evaluation of engineering solution to chemical engineering issues. So next chemical engineering issues. So thank you one and all. Thank you for giving the time to elaborate my unit. Thank you so much.